Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook newsfeed not refreshing problem or newsfeed not updating problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long page or long tab in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Facebook application. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Facebook application. Click on newsfeed icon and refresh it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook newsfeed refreshing problem or Facebook newsfeed not updating problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.